Assalamu alaikum girls. I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to start unit 9 of science, which is light. We have discussed a few topics before in class 3A, but I'm going to do it from the start. So today we are going to discuss page 57 from your book. Girls, all of us have seen so many things that are a source of light, that are producing light in one way or another, just like a burning candle, a bulb, a lamp, sun, moon, stars, different shining objects. If I talk about a burning candle, the burning candle is not only a source of light, but it is also a source of heat. If we move our finger close to that burning candle, we can easily feel that it is becoming hot. Similarly, sun is also a very big and important source of heat as well as light. It not only provides us heat but also provides us light. Now if I talk about the moon it looks like shining at night and making all the things bright at the night, but it is not true actually, because moon does not have its own light. The light of the sun falls on the moon and it reflects it. Now what is reflection actually? Reflection means the bouncing back of light from a shiny surface. Means that when any shining thing like sun, its light falls on the moon, it only bounces off from the moon to the other areas around it. Just like in this picture, you can see that the lines are coming down, and after striking the plane it goes back. Just like if you throw a ball towards the wall, it bounces back towards you. Similarly, light also bounces off, and this bouncing off phenomenon is known as reflection. So basically, when we see moon providing us light at night, it is not basically the moon's light, but it is the sunlight which falls on the moon and then bounces back towards the earth, and it lightens up the earth. And this is how we see different objects as well. When the light rays fall on any object and they reflect back and enter our eyes, we are able to see those objects. We are able to identify the size, color and shape of those objects. Just in your book it is written, most of the objects that we see are like the moon. They do not get off their own light. Light from the sun, a lamp or some other shining thing falls on them. Then we can see them. They reflect the light into our eyes. The reflected light tells us the size, color and shape of the objects that we see. Now the next topic is that how light travels. Whenever light moves from one place to another, it travels always and always in a straight line. This can be proved with the help of this experiment, where we take two cardboards and put them vertically in front of each other. We make some holes in one of the cardboard, and from the this side, if you can see in the picture, from one side we throw the light using a torch, and the light rays only pass through those holes in a straight line and fall on the respective areas of the cardboard in the form of a circle, which allows the light to pass through it. So this experiment proves that the light always travels in a straight line. This is all for today. Now your homework is that you have to read page number 57 from your book and write difficult words on the notebook. You can write any words which you find are difficult or new for you. You can write 10 words or 8 to 10 words. This is all for today. I will also share a video that will explain that the concept of reflection, and by watching that video the concept will be much clearer in your mind. Plus I will also share the classwork for today, which are the question number 1, 2 and 3. Class 3A have already done question number 1 and 2 in their notebooks, so they only need to do question number 3, whereas class 3B will solve all the 3 questions, means write all the 3 questions on their notebooks. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.